It's really a rare privilege to be able to be amongst this really a gathering. Chinglembi has been a very good student. I heard about her result when she passed out from St. Capitano with outstanding results. Very impressive. And I was thinking that she would do something different when she came to this class 12. And what I thought came true. I did not follow her class 12 examination results because it doesn't matter much. When your aim is high, your class 12 results are not so important. I don't ask, even today also I don't ask. I have not asked anyone how she has done in her last class 12 examinations, because she has proved that her achievement is there. I have learned from newspapers, from the media, that she emerged as a topper in Barak Valley. Oh, when you say Barak Valley, we think of only 3 districts. It is not so. Barak Valley has 40 lakhs population. It's much bigger than Mizoram, bigger than Manipur, and 2 times of Arunachal Pradesh. So just think of the girl from the village Chandpur and be the topper in this valley of 40 lakhs. It's a great achievement, I should say. And in terms of our position, so far I know she stood 2,700 plus something. Now Manipur's topper, one Jabed Hassan, she got 7,000 something. And she is the star of the media, social media, people are talking about him. When I compare this Manipur's achiever, topper, and ours, Chinglembi, 3-4 times much better than the Manipur's topper. I'm not comparing the 2 persons. I'm comparing the results. So now, Chinglembi, till today, must be the highest scorer, I think, in Barak Valley. So far my knowledge goes, because the previous 4-5 years, I've been following these results. My son passed in 2020. He completed from Gautam Indian College, and he's now rural posted in Karbi. Now in his time too, the toppers, I think in Assam, 600 plus something. So in those days too. So last 5 years, 6 years, I've been very closely following this, and her result showed that she did something outstanding. I must really give meaning to the word outstanding. It's not a mean achievement for a girl hailing from this Chandpur. Chandpur, I think you know, Chandpur is a place of miracles. Many famous people, I think we have professors, we have IITians, we have many doctors from this village. And Chinglembi also belongs to that village. Now this speaks much louder why Chandpur is so famous for. And she is now a proud member of our village. And I want to now appreciate the team who have been dedicated themselves to bringing this Chinglembi to the limelight. Because of this dedicated work and services, and the men behind our success are the team from Akas. So Akas, I really thank you, because you have made us all proud because of this Chinglembi. And Chinglembi name itself, magnificent. So this is magnificent, outstanding result. So name, the parents who has given her the name, I really salute you. You have chosen a very beautiful name, and she lives up to the name that we speak in Manipuri, Chinglembi. It's very magnificent, very outstanding name. And also I would like to give thanks to the parents, because parents, the mother and the father who are here, this is the second time I think I saw them. They are from a very humble family. And mother is a working woman, I am told. And father also is a good supporter. So with their contribution and with your, I think, the guidance, this combination works wonder. And I'm really thankful to you. And I hope and pray and wish that in the years to come, Akas will continue to shape and mold and bring out lots of Chinglembis, particularly from the minority communities. because we don't have many doctors, we don't have many engineers. We have very small number in this 40 lakhs. We may be very minuscule, I think, number we have, and she stood outstanding from others. So we hope in the time to come, you will continue to support us, and we will be really praying for your association, your organization too. And thank you for coming today to witness this grand celebration of your dedication and grand celebration of her hard work. Thank you once again. Thank you very much.
Hartri Odabu, thank you, sir, for your kind words. Now I would like to request our Saurav sir.
एंड जो चिंगलेम्बी ने मतलब कि जो भी प्रिपरेशन करा है वो आकाश से करा, और उसका मतलब मैं तो ये मानता हूँ कि चिंगलेम्बी ने जो भी मतलब कि अपना स्टडी करा है ना, तो टीचर्स का जो हाथ होता है इसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है वो 25 to 30% होता है। मेजर जो मेहनत होती है वो बच्चे की होती है। जो बच्चे ने, स्टूडेंट्स ने जो भी मेहनत करा है, पूरा मेहनत उसका है। वो बहुत ही मतलब आकाश में वो आई थी, लगभग 9th क्लास में आई थी वो, तो 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th में उसने बहुत अच्छा मेहनत किया है। बीच में थोड़े उतार चढ़ाव भी आए, उसकी तबीयत थोड़ी मतलब कि हल्की रही, लेकिन उसने बहुत ज़्यादा कोप किया है ना। चाहे वो मतलब इमोशनल सपोर्ट हो, उसके पेरेंट्स से मिलना, वो बहुत ज़्यादा मिला है। चाहे मतलब टीचर्स की तरफ से, नॉट ओनली मी बट ऑल्सो ऑल द टीचर्स टीचिंग इन आकाश इंस्टीट्यूट सिलचर ब्रांच, सभी ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया है इन्हें, है ना। और इसने बस हमारे ही नहीं बल्कि अपने मेहनत से इसने क्या किया है, बहुत अच्छा मुकाम हासिल किया है ना। इसके लिए मैं उसको फिर से कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन बोलता हूँ। इंग्लैंड में कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन, बाकी थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन। चिंगलेम्बी का जो परफॉर्मेंस है ये कोई इसका फर्स्ट अचीवमेंट नहीं है, सबसे पहले मैं बताऊंगी। इसका थ्रू आउट द एकेडमिक ईयर, चाहे वो 10th बोर्ड हो, चाहे वो 12th का रिजल्ट हो, इवन 10th बोर्ड में भी वो स्कूल टॉपर थी, काफ़ी अच्छा उसका परसेंटेज था। इसके अलावा जो डिफरेंट ओलंपियाड्स होते हैं, साइंस ओलंपियाड्स, उसमें भी उसने लेवल 2 क्रैक किया है, मैथ्स ओलंपियाड। इसके अलावा हमारा नेशनल स्टैंडर्ड एग्जामिनेशन इन बायोलॉजी, उसमें भी इसने सेकेंड लेवल अचीव किया है, एंड इसका जोनल रैंक भी काफ़ी अच्छा उसमें रहा है। सो थ्रू आउट द एकेडमिक ईयर ही इसने हमेशा अपना कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन किया है, और एवरी टाइम लास्ट टाइम से अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हुए वो यहाँ तक पहुँची है, जिसके साथ उसने अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ साथ हमारा भी नाम रोशन किया है और अपना भी नाम रोशन किया है। सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन चिंगलेम्बी, एंड ऐसे ही आप आगे भी जाएँ। आगे नीट UG हुआ है, फिर नीट PG होगा, सो बहुत मेनी मोर टू कम। सो थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन।